Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial from Phones Unlimited. It's been a while, but some people has asked me to do a tutorial on a software called Plex. Plex is similar to XBMC, and it's just how can I say, a home media system, like a NAS, if you want. But what we're gonna do, we're not gonna install it on a NAS. We're gonna use just streaming from my computer to television. So what's nice about Plex is you actually get an app on smart TVs you can install, and then it just talks to your computer, and you can have all your files stream live to your computer and have it all available. Pretty much like XBMC's menus. So first things first, there's two parts to Plex, and that's media server and the app. This tutorial is pretty much just the media server, so the app will be covered in part 2. Okay, so Google, just type in Plex, or if you know the rest, just choose plex.tv and it will direct you to the wonderful site. Now you can go premium. That gives you some fancy extra options that I'm not too interested in, or you can just use the free version. Okay, so click on downloads and it will bring you to the media server. On the bottom you can download some other files, the apps, the home theater, and Plex for connected TVs and streaming devices, but we're just going to do the media server. As you see, you get two options for a PC or a NAS, but we're just going to use for PC right now. Here they can ask you to choose a platform, Windows, Mac, Linux, or BSD. But for us it's Windows, so we're not Korean, we're going to install the English version. Just to add on this version of this current Plex system, you will see is 1.4.531. Some people's PCs have some issues with that particular version, that it gives you an error when you're installing the software asking you for a bms.exe file that it can't locate. So when that happens, you can't go and download that BMS file. So you need to click on previous versions, which is underneath the version, and then download the 13, and then update it when you download it, and that will work perfectly fine. That's what happened with my PC and some other people's PCs that I know of. So just follow that steps. So download the English is a 59.3 meg file, I think. Yes. Save it, run it, whatever you choose to do with it. I'm just going to do that again. So go through the installation process like a normal installation process, and when you finish, you should get a little app, a little icon in your tray, your taskbar that says Plex Media Server. Now what you have to do, when first time you launch it, it will run you through a wizard. So right click on it, click Media Manager, and it will run you through a wizard. Mine will have a wizard as I set it up already, but if it doesn't give you wizard, it's with some cases, you need to set it up. It will ask you to create an account, a premium account or a free account. You can choose whichever one. The premium one you need to pay, and the free one is free, as the description says. So when it just gives you a blank screen after you sign up for an account, you need to add some libraries to Plex so it knows where to get your files from. So by that, you just click on the little plus sign here, and it will ask you to choose which library you want to create. It's got movies, TV shows, music, photos, and home videos. Now if you click movies and all your files are located in the same folder, it will not locate all your TV shows, or none of them will show up on your television or your home theater system when you created a movie library, as it's quite intelligent little system where it detects what is TVs and what is movies, so it will throw it out. So if you click movies, you can rename that to whatever you want, choose a wonderful language, click next. From here you can follow their guide, or just simply add a folder wherever your movie is located or what folder is located and add it. I'm not going to do that, just cancel. And then your movies should list under your playlist. Now your system won't have all this artwork for all the movies, but what's good about Plex is it's got what do you call it, meta tags, so it will automatically download all this artwork from the net for you. It takes some time to do that, but you eventually will have all this wonderful artwork. Sometimes it only even gives you a little trailer that you can play a trailer before you watch a movie, even plays you a little intro soundtrack if it's available on the net for that. So that is the same for when you create another. You do the same for your TV shows and your music, your photos and your own videos. Okay, I don't have own videos, I don't care about the photos really, I just have those three. So the TV shows will only have TV shows, not movies, and music will have music, not TV shows or movies. So just be wary of that. Some people, as I said to me before, they added everything but they can't see half of their movies. But because they created a TV show for library, they won't show all the movies, so just be wary of that. So that's pretty much how Plex Media Server looks. You can play around with all the settings, you know. Gives you setting. This is the web version. Just go to server and it'll give you all the server settings. So you play around with it. That's pretty much it. I will show you how to connect the two together from the television to your PC in part 2. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.